Wow.
Cool.
Oh my gosh.
The van got it too.
Ah.
Warehouses. This is the same place. He died in the same place in which they found Lamar Odom when he was in some distress.
What the hell, man?
He's back in 2015.
That's good.
What the hell?
And as we always say, die doing what
What the hell?
He might have.
What's wrong with you?
So it turns out there might be a reason for the
Sweetheart.
Fucking hell.
That was close.
Go. Fucking hell. So fucking stupid. Get the fuck off the road, you dipshit ass motherfucker. Jesus Christ.
All right. Let's see. Let me jump on the phone here and talk to Chris, 37 Reno. Chris?
H-Man, get it on.
Yeah, man.
Hey, man. Yeah, so called in. I went into work this morning.
Difference between those four names. They don't recognize the difference. As a matter of fact, they may give the nod, if we could build a time machine, go back to 1993, they'd give the nod to Rackman over Jimmy and 10 out of 10 times. So that's who you're dealing with. So you can't obviously you can't deal with that mentality. So once I realized they did that, I thought, all right, so now they've signed
long time to just suddenly not have work. Whoa, 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 whoa. Jesus. Someone overcorrected.
He said, he goes, as soon as I got it, we got in our car straight away to the street. And he goes, we checked it out on the spot. He goes, we don't muck around and stuff like that.
Let's take M2 Hills Motorway. In 200 meters, turn right.
Really got her?
She had no friggin' idea.
Really got her?
She had no.
No way.
Asshole. The fuck are you doing, stupid? Fucking hell.